Welcome back and thank you for staying with Times Now. Now, Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, is all set to visit Maharashtra Parbhani today, where he will be meeting the kin of two people who lost their life following the violence in this area earlier this month. Now, Rahul Gandhi is going to meet the families of Somnath Suryavanshi, who reportedly died in police custody, and Vijay Vakode, who died while participating in the protest. Now, judicial probe is what we are learning has already been ordered in this case. And the visit, meanwhile, has sparked a war of words between the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party, with BJP calling this a drama, while Shiv Sena calling this hypocrisy, saying Rahul Gandhi never displayed any concern over the scuffle that took place in the parliament last week. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी नौटंकीबाज है। उन्होंने पूरे जीवन में नौटंकी की है। उनका कोई संविधान के प्रति आदर नहीं है। जो घटना हुई वो दुर्दैवी है, लेकिन वहां पर माननीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी ने जिस प्रकार से कार्य किया है, वह सारे आरोपी को अटक कर लिया है। वहां पुलिस अधिकारी पे कार्रवाई हुई है, जो वहां पर जिन्होंने दोषी देखे गए। ये केवल वोटों की राजनीति के लिए है। महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने उनको लथाड़ा है और ऐसी राजनीति करके वो महाराष्ट्र में अपना पैर नहीं जमा पाएंगे।
राहुल गांधी आएंगे परभनी, हमारे मराठवाड़ा में, वो भी एक स्पेशल फ्लाइट पे। वो आएंगे नांदेड़, फिर जाएंगे परभनी, फिर दिखाएंगे कि वो सूर्यवंशी जी के परिवार के साथ हैं, और वहां जहां वायलेंस होता है तो वो मराठवाड़ा आते हैं। मैं पूछना चाहती हूं कि जब राहुल गांधी ये सिमिलर हाथापाई देखते हैं पार्लियामेंट के बाहर, वहां वो बाहर तक नहीं आते हैं और यहाँ स्पेशल चार्टर लेके आते हैं। ये ढोंग लोग समझते हैं। हमारा पूरा साथ है परभनी के सोमनाथ सूर्यवंशी के साथ, उनके परिवार के साथ, लेकिन हम इसके ऊपर कोई राजनीति कभी नहीं करेंगे।
And the reply has come from the Congress party. The party has said that it shows the petty mindset of the political opponents. Have a look.
आप जिस तरह से कई घटनाएं महाराष्ट्र में हुई है और उसमें कई लोगों की जानें भी गई है, तो एक्चुअली फैक्ट क्या है वो देखने राहुल गांधी जी आ रहे हैं। और एक जवाबदार व्यक्ति और अपोजिशन लोकसभा के ये घटना को देखने आ रहे हैं, और उसको अगर वो नौटंकी समझ रहे हैं तो बीजेपी की मानसिकता का सही में तो अब इनकी बहुत जो मानसिकता जो है वो कितनी निचले लेवल पे गई है।
Well, violence was reported in Maharashtra's Parbhani on December 10th, earlier this month, after a glass-enclosed replica of the Constitution near Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's statue was vandalized by some miscreants, is what we're learning. The protesters had hit the streets after the incident and clashed with the police there. And this protest resulted in stone pelting, destruction of property and arson. Police resorted to use of tear gas shell to disperse the crowd, and this happened earlier this month on December 10th. So let me go across to my colleague Nyamika, who joins us live in the broadcast. Nyamika, Rahul Gandhi will be visiting this spot today, and what we are learning is that Bharatiya Janata Party has called it a notanki, a drama.
Well, indeed, as the war of words has already erupted between the Congress and the NDA partners in Maharashtra. As for that reason, today Rahul Gandhi will be visiting Parbhani, where he is going to visit the families of the victims there, as both Somnath Suryavanshi as well as Vijay Vakure's families Rahul Gandhi is going to meet. But on the other side, we have also seen that how the politics has erupted over this entire matter, because the BJP as well as Shiv Sena is targeting the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi in particular by saying that this shows that how the Congress party is trying to do vote bank politics over this entire matter, as Rahul Gandhi hasn't said anything about the attack or the manner in which there was the two of the BJP MPs who had got injured within the parliament, and no such words have come in on the part of Rahul Gandhi when such kind of incident had taken place within the parliament. But this shows the hypocrisy of the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, that today he is going to visit Maharashtra, as the BJP BJP is alleging that he has been continuously making an attack upon the constitution, and whatever he is trying to do, that is nothing but just a drama on the part of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. While on the other side, there is an attack which is coming in on the part of the Congress party, as well as Congress has responded to all of these allegations which are being levelled against Rahul Gandhi by the BJP and Shiv Sena by saying that this shows their petty mindset of politics, as he's just going there to check the facts that what actually has happened there. But on the other side, it is the BJP who sees it just like a politics. But it is very unfortunate on the part of BJP and Shiv Sena for attacking the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha if he is meeting the victim's family there, as they are also being affected by the violence that had taken place recently earlier this month. But it is a responsibility of an opposition leader to visit such places and to know that what actually happens there.
Absolutely. So all eyes will be on this visit of Rahul Gandhi to Maharashtra today. Thank you, Nyamika, for all the updates. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. With this, we're taking a short break. News and updates will continue. Stay with us.